How's it going, everyone? It's Logan Anderson here, the owner of All Strong Fitness. I enjoy making health and wellness content for individuals with special needs to improve their health, independence, and overall quality of life. What we're going to talk about in this week's Fitness Friday video is instant gratification. Now, instant gratification is something that really sets up a lot of people for failure in regards to improving their health and wellness. What instant gratification means is that simply if something's right in front of you, you will more gravitate towards that option than something that's a little bit harder but more down the line. So for example, when it comes to health and wellness, instant gratification would be sitting on a couch versus going out for a run. Sitting on a couch feels really good at the time, and going for a run is uncomfortable, and although we know it's good for our long-term health, it doesn't provide that instant gratification. So simply thinking about this next time you are planning on sitting on the couch, or maybe you're going to indulge in that treat, which you know might not set you up long term for the best results, think about instant gratification and know that you're going to be uncomfortable for a little bit with whatever health and wellness activity you're doing, but in the long run, it's going to set you up for lots of gratification for the rest of your life. So I appreciate you checking out this week's Fitness Friday video. Make sure to catch you in next week's video. And remember, I'm here to help you. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.